क्यों नहीं समझते कि मैं आपके घर आऊं, ऐसा आपने क्या किया? या फिर जिसको देखो वही हमारे घर आना चाहता। मैं कहीं भी जाती हूं, मुझे आराम से रहने नहीं दी। आपने अभी कुछ भी नहीं किया। आप किसी भी तरह से ये इच्छा मन में रहने दीजिए और ये सोचिए कि अभी आपकी औकात क्या, आप क्या चाहते। ऐसी क्यों चाहत करना जिससे आपकी माँ को तकलीफ हो? ऐसे क्यों काम करना जैसे हम कहीं से आए आके सामने खड़े? ऐसा नहीं करें। समाधान अगर सहयोग में नहीं आया तो आप बेकार। जहां भी है माँ हमारे साथ। इस प्रकार एक समाधानी वृत्ति होनी चाहिए, उसी से आपकी प्रगति होगी। जिस चीज की दुनिया में प्रगति होती है वो सब कुछ समाधान में रत होता है। जब आप समाधानी नहीं और पूरी समय आप दौड़ते रहे सबके सामने, उससे क्या फायदा? समाधान से जहां आप हैं वहीं मां। ऐसा जब आपको महसूस होगा तभी माना जाएगा कि आप सहयोगी। जहां बैठे सामने आना, स्टेज पे चढ़ना, इसकी जरूरत नहीं किसी समाधानी आदमी। हमें सबके बारे में मालूम है, पर समाधान ऐसी चीज है कि जिससे गहराई में आप मुझे पा सकते और मैं आपको जान सकती। मैं चाहती हूं कि अब जिस दिशा में आप आए, अब आप उस समाधान को प्राप्त करें और देखें कि आप जो भी कर रहे हैं उससे आपको समाधान मिले। आप सहयोग में कार्यरत हों और सहयोग बढ़ाएं, आप बहुत समाधानी हो जाएंगे। आपको नहीं लगेगा कि माँ के सामने सारी चीजें रखे हैं, माँ के सामने खड़े हो जाएं। अधिकतर मैंने ऐसे देखा कि जो लोग बहुत आगे आगे करते हैं वो या तो बेईमान होते हैं और या तो वो चोर होते हैं। जो लोग दिल से साफ हैं और जो प्यार में रहते हैं वो अपने प्यार में मगन रहते। अब मैं चाहती हूं कि अब ये समय आ गया कि आप लोग अब मेरे ऊपर मेहरबानी करें, क्योंकि मुझसे तो सब वाइब्रेशंस आप खींचते हो। अगर आप लोग ठीक नहीं हैं तो मेरी तबीयत खराब हो जाती। इसलिए आपको बिल्कुल ये निश्चय कर लेना चाहिए कि हम ऐसे बने कि जिससे माँ जो है वो खुश हो जाए और फिर उससे जो है दुनिया बदल जाए। आज बहुत देर तक लोग बैठे रहे, कुछ गए भी होंगे, पर पहचान यही है कि आप यहाँ बैठे हैं, शांति में बैठे। पहले तो धूम धड़ाका सब लोग इतने जोर जोर चिल्लाते थे, बोलते थे, अब शांत बैठे। ये मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही कमाल की चीज है। I am telling them that how a Sahajogi should feel. You should be satisfied people. Firstly and foremost, you have to be satisfied. You just see within yourself if you are satisfied or not. You got the highest that you wanted. You have got the peace. You got the joy and all the blessings of the divine. Despite that, if you are dissatisfied, you want to do something always that is disturbing. Always some people want to show me off, want to come forward, or they want to escape Sahajoga. Firstly, You must spread Sahajoga. How many people have you brought to Sahajoga? Just think of it. We are Sahajogis. Sahajogis means what? You are saints. In this world, all the saints who became saints with very great difficulty, going through lots of tortures, have done so much work. One single saint has so many people whom they have attracted. Of course, he couldn't give them realization because I have taught you how to do that. But you just find out what are you doing about Sahajoga. Only meditation is not the point. Meditation for what? For equipping yourself to help others. We need it very much in this Kali Yuga, people who will go all out to help. On the contrary, I find that they are very anxious just to meet me, to see me. I have seen all the Indians who come to Kavela must meet me, must see me, as if they have a special right with me. What is the need? What is the need to meet me? But this is the trouble of, say, our conditioning, that supposing there is some leader, some minister coming, everybody will go and show off, like to meet him and talk to him, but not as such. You must have self-esteem. Self-esteem, by which you should know what is your dignity and how you should be. There are Sahajogis who are excellent, who are very good, who are very self-satisfied. I know who they are. And you have to be like that, otherwise you cannot enjoy Sahajoga. You are like all other people, trying to indulge into all nonsensical activities. Now, today's was a real test, because I just couldn't come earlier. You know what is the traffic nowadays. I just couldn't arrive. And still you were sitting here. This gives me great satisfaction that they really love me and they are really Sahajogis. If you really love me, you must love others who are not Sahajogis and try to give them realization. Because you know my age is quite a lot, and how far can I go? I am not going now to many countries, but Sahajoga is growing fast. Though I am not going there, it is growing. Why? Because people of that country understand their responsibility. Should know you what is your responsibility. Is not only for towards yourself, but it is for the rest of the world. You have to work it out and do something about it. Whatever people you can approach, or whatever people you can meet, go all out. I have seen people who go to some horrible gurus, go on talking about their guru, describing their guru. Anybody who meets them, they go on telling, not Sahajogis. I don't know, maybe they want to preserve their realization. They think if they tell somebody, their realization will drop out. If you don't spread Sahajoga, what is the use of getting your realization? All my labor is wasted on such people who are for themselves. They want something for themselves. Now, for example, so many girls wanted to marry. They are 4 times more, 5 times more than all the boys put together. But if they are not married, they feel very unhappy about it. Doesn't matter. You are now connected to God. Marriage is not always a very great blessing. I tell you, it's not. On the contrary, it can be very binding. It could be very troublesome. So better not feel bad. Should feel bad when you cannot give realizations to them. How many people have I given realization? Just think about it. All the time, like all ordinary people, thinking about marriage and this and that is not going to help you. You are something special. And what speciality do you have? What are you doing about it? I'm sorry, at the end of this our great Ganpati Pule, I have to tell you this. But sometimes one has to tell also. I know you are all very good Sahajogis, also that you have achieved so much. But what is my desire is that all of you should become like a light and start spreading Sahaja. In some countries it has happened. It is working out and people feel so responsible. I am amazed at them how they are spreading Sahaja. Now the same request I have to make. That please look at yourself, introspect. What have you done? What have you achieved in Sahaja? Such a satisfaction lies when you really work hard to spread Sahaja. Many people think that coming nearer me, I feel pleased. I am not. That's no recognition. You should never do that. On the contrary, when you will grow really, I will know myself. Today is not the day I should have said all this, because it is the day for New Year's Day. But only good decisions are to be taken on the New Year's Day. That's the custom with human beings. So today you all have to take the decision that what are we doing for Sahaja? What are we giving Sahaja? What is our achievement? Are we sharing with others? It's the greatest truth we have got. Nobody got it. People worked so hard, did so much. Nobody could give realization. It's only you can give realization. Very surprising. Kabir could not give realization to anybody. Jnanadeva could not give realization to anybody. All of them have been great, great saints of great value system and with great understanding. Whatever poetry they have given, people are singing, that's all. But they cannot give self-realization which you can do. With all that power, if you are not giving realization,